In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsend an email you've just sent in Outlook. We all know that sinking feeling when you hit send too early, or realize you've forgotten an important attachment, or maybe even sent the message to the wrong person. Fortunately, Outlook offers a way to retrieve or unsend those emails if you're quick enough. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your Outlook account. Head over to the official Microsoft Outlook website and locate the sign in option. Once there, enter your credentials to access your emails. It's important to have a stable internet connection during this process to ensure everything runs smoothly. Now that you've successfully logged in, it's time to move on to your mailbox. Navigate to the mail section of Outlook. This is where you'll be working your magic to unsend that email. Once you're in, locate the settings menu. It's commonly represented by a gear icon, usually situated at the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will drop down a menu with various options. Now, let's get into the settings to tweak a few things. Look for the option labeled Mail in the drop down menu and click on it. This brings up several customizable features related to how you handle your emails. Next, navigate to the Compose and Reply section. This is where Outlook houses the magic undo send option. Once you're in the Compose and Reply settings, you'll want to find the Undo Send feature. This allows you to set a delay for your outgoing emails, giving you a chance to recall an email after hitting send. You'll generally find this option pretty straightforward. You can adjust the time frame to a few seconds according to your preference. Outlook doesn't actually unsend the email, but instead holds it for a brief period to give you some grace time to recall it. Activating this setting is incredibly useful for helping you catch and correct mistakes before your emails are permanently dispatched to your recipient. So give it some thought on what delay time works best for you, whether it's 10, 15 or even 30 seconds, whichever makes you feel secure and in control, and that's it. With these changes you can now take a deep breath if you accidentally hit send too early. As long as you act fast within the set time frame, you'll have the ability to retrieve your emails and make the necessary edits or halt the sending altogether. It's a small tweak in your settings, but a huge relief when you need it. We hope this helps you avoid unwanted email mishaps in the future. Thanks for tuning in and happy emailing.